Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn intro, capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, brown color, sky blue color, pink color, orange color, blue color, light green color, light pink color, dark green color, black color, purple color and red color. Kids, now you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Kids, now you draw G. G for goat. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. Kids, now you draw M. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. Kids, now you draw U. U for umbrella. V for vine. W for well. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. 1, 2, 3. Kids, now you draw 4. 4, 5, 6. Kids, now you draw 7. 7, 8, 9. Last we draw 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.